All right, last page. I just need to cut the 1/4 inch for a mattress support, and then I can take it all back apart so I can stain. So because I have to take all the hardware off for staining, I figured now would be a good time to put the edge banding on. Yeah, I really do like doing things twice. So when I was doing the header board, which goes across the top, and it was too deep, it was because that was supposed to be the headboard, which now I have to cut a new one because I cut the header board, the old headboard, down to be the header board. Yeah. So because I've had this installed and taken it out a couple of times now, this last time to stain it, I'm gonna cheat because, you know, all my stuff has been measured and holes are already in the right spots. So I'm just gonna do a quick assembly and installation. Start off by putting a spacer on this guy right here. Sliding it through, putting the C-clip on. Same over here. Next I'm going to put the headboard on, which I marked with a B, so I know which side was the back, and so I know which side is up. All right, now we stand it up. Pull the locks out. But I need room to get behind it to hook the shocks on. Now that everything's stained black, I don't know if you'll be able to see any of this, but it's pretty simple. What you do is I lifted the bed up and you actually pull it past where it's supposed to be so that you can hook. So this side goes up, so we're going to hook the bottom side down first, which goes on the bed, and it just snips on like that. And then to get this side on, just move it till it lines up. And now to stop the bed from going back this far, we have to put these stoppers on. Alright, and so there's this bump we gotta put in here. Where's the hole? I can't see any better than you guys. I'll put the screw in later when it's mounted to the wall and I can actually pull this bed down. And again, because I've already had this installed and all the hard stuff, we're finding studs and all that stuff has already been done. I don't need to do it again. And it's installed. So the only last thing to note then is if you've got like gaps, I don't know if you can see it here, where I've got a gap on this side, but it's tight on this side. To fix that, you just move the bottom over. So again, I'm cheating because I had a line marked on the wall before I took it down. So there's the option to put handles like this. So these are your legs, and then you use these handles to pull them down. I haven't decided if I want to put those on yet. Those are the stops. I just fell out. And so right now it's really heavy because I'm pushing against the shocks. But once I get the 2 platforms in and the bed in, it'll help with the weight. Now I already know, because I've fit this a couple times, I'm a little light. So I need to add some weight to here to help make it easier so the bed will stay down by itself. So I have some scrap wood that I'm going to put in. Alright. So because I already know my mattress isn't heavy enough to hold this down, I'm going to add these scrap pieces of wood, and I'm just going to glue them in. And now I just need to attach these straps that came with that go across the corners. To hold the mattress in, but as you can see, I'm just now installing them, and we've been using this for a while now, so don't really need them. One on each side and it's good to go.